Right, so first, I secured the premises. And then I lockpicked the door. No, wait. I secured the premises. And then check for open windows. And then
God, shut up. Do you keep talking yourself through wiping your ass too?
What? Huh?
Bro, you just talk. Like, shut up. God damn.
My bad.
I swear, boss ain't let you take your ass.
My fault. My bad, Pablo. My bad. Look, I'm sorry. I'm just trying to get some experience. I pickpocketed. I scammed. I even did forex.
Bro, stop itching, bro.
Yo, are you good?
Yeah, changing the weather and this shit, but you know what I'm saying? You just make sure you're good. You know what I'm saying? I ain't working nothing.
I'm following your lead, man. I'm following your lead. I'm ready. I'm ready to do this.
Ready?
Yeah.
There she is right there, my boy. Look at that. Right there. Listen, the owner here supposedly loaded, bro.
Okay.
Yeah, bro. Listen, when we get in here, 3 rules. All right? Rule number 1, whatever I say, you do. If I tell you to jump, I better feel the ground shake, motherfucker. Rule number 2.
Okay, but what if...
Did I tell you to think? Rule number 2, this ain't no field trip. We get in, we get out.
Okay.
Don't be roaming around doing all that dumb shit. Rule number 3. If you got any questions, revert back to rule number 1. We clear?
Crystal.
Are we clear?
Crystal clear. I'm ready.
Good.
Let's do it.
Take this.
All right.
Put that shoe on.
All right. Let's do it. I'm ready.
Hurry up. Put it on.
Let's go.
All right. We out.
Yo, Pablo, you good?
Say my fucking name.
I'm sorry. I just thought...
What did I tell you about rule number 1? Did I tell you the thing? Fuck. Come on. Yeah. Let's go.
Now we can go, boss. Let's go, boss. I'm not looking for a boss.
Just you see it and you see it. All right.
Right there. Jackpot. Let's do it.
Go get the double bag.
Driver! Oh, shit! Get out! You're not supposed to be here! Put this shit down! Put this shit down! What the fuck?
Help!
Shut up.
Daphne, is everything okay?
Choose your next move wisely, bitch.
That's my nosy neighbor. He's not gonna leave.
Daphne?
Well, it's a good thing. We have a good way of making people leave. Forever.
Look.
Hey, I was just hearing some noises. Everything's good?
Yeah, I'm good. I was just working out.
Oh, working out. Okay. It's good to get some workout in here and there. I was thinking about going to the gym myself, too. So.
Yeah, I missed the gym this morning, so I had to get some crunches in.
Right, crunches, man. I like that workout. It's good.
Yeah.
I ain't even run nothing. I just was doing a neighborly thing. I just heard some noises and everything like that. Just checking on you.
Oh, yeah, I'm good. I appreciate you.
What's that?
Yeah, so, thank you. Good night.
Yo, you good? You sure?
I'm good. I'm good.
You sure?
I'm fine.
You're not looking too good, man. Right now, you're not looking too good, bro.
I'm good. I'm good. Just need to.
What's going on, bro? Man, what's going on with you, man? You gotta get up. You gotta get up. I don't know what I'm doing. This shit wasn't supposed to happen. What am I doing here? It wasn't supposed to go like this. She's seen our faces. Pablo's probably dead. What is going? Hey, stop! Stop that! Stop! Stop it!
Okay.
What are you doing?
Your friend, Pablo, right?
Yeah.
He needs help. Okay? I can help him.
Stop. Let me think. Fuck. Shit. You can't help us. You cannot help us. You can't do anything.
I'm a nurse, and I know your friend needs help right now. There's pressure in his chest. If he stall, he might not make it.
What?
Look, do you want to help Pablo or not? It's a matter of life and death. If you don't trust me, just untie one of my hands. I can't just sit here and watch someone die.
Okay. I'm gonna untie you. You try any fucking thing, I will shoot you. All right?
Come on.
Come on. Make sure he's good.
Okay. Good news is he's stable. Bad news. Okay, I'm gonna need you to trust me.
What? Yo, you better not be messing with me.
I'm not messing with you. But he does need meds quick. I have some here, but I'm gonna need you to grab my pack from the shed out back.
Yo, I'm not doing that. What do you mean? I'm not leaving you two alone.
Where am I gonna go? Look, we can sit here and argue, or we can save your friend.
Okay, where is it? Where is it?
In the back of the house, there's a shed, okay? If you look on the shelf to the left, there's a med kit. I need that. I just want to get your friend the help he needs.
Okay. Don't try anything. All right? Don't move. Don't fucking move. Oh, sorry. Sorry.
No, I got you. I'm sorry. Here you go, sir.
Thank you. I really appreciate it.
I've never seen you around here before.
Yeah, I just got in.
Yeah. How do you know Destiny?
She's my cousin.
Oh,
Yeah.
cousin.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't know you was in town.
Yeah, just landed.
Landed.
Yeah.
No, I like you, cousin, man. Man of a few words, man. We need more people like that in today's time. Some people be yapping. Some people,
Yeah, I know. Yeah, I know. I gotta go. I appreciate it.
for
Thank
sure,
you. Thank
cousin.
you. Thank you.
Nice to meet you. Cousin. Wow.
Did you find
Yeah. I think I got everything. All right. Is he gonna be okay?
Let's see. First time?
Huh?
Figured it was your first time doing anything like this. Your leg hasn't stopped shaking since he went out. I only know because I was the exact same way when I was fresh out of nursing school. All those books and mannequins never prepare you for the real thing. I mean, we psych ourselves up thinking, I can handle the real deal. But we never really do.
How'd you get past it? The nervousness.
What's your name? Oh, come on. I've seen both your faces. I can't put a name to it, too?
It's Pete.
Well, Pete, you never really get past it. You just learn to power through it,
Really?
really. But I think you're different, Pete.
How so?
I don't think you want to be doing this. I really don't think this is you.
It's the only way. I don't really have a choice.
You always have a choice in this life. That's the part everyone always seems to forget.
It's not that simple.
What's their name? The person that you need the money so desperately for.
It's Monica. It's my wife. She's sick.
I'm so sorry. I don't think you're a bad person. But I do think you were rolling with a bad crowd. You should be just fine.
Thank you.
Of course, Pete.
Monica, I don't want her to think I'm a bad person, you know?
Bro, what are you doing?
Pablo,
What are you doing? Just stop saying my name.
you were knocked out for like a half hour.
So, shoot her.
Shoot her?
Shoot her. Pick up your gun and shoot her.
Shoot her?
Yeah, shoot her. She see my face. She knows my name, bro. Shoot her, bro.
Please, Pete, no, you don't have to.
Pete? She know your name? But you let her hold it while I was down?
I didn't know what to do. I needed help. You were knocked out.
We're not getting out of this alive. Just shoot her, bro.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Pull the trigger, nigga.
I can't. Pablo, I'm sorry. I can't. I'm not a bad person. I can't do it.
Nigga's a bitch.
I knew it. I knew it. I knew you didn't have it in you.
What?
I vouched for you, kid. I really wanted you to pass.
Pass? Pass what?
I told you, boss wanted me to bring you on this. Just to see if you were ready.
It's extremely disappointing that you're not.
Jeez. I vouched for you, kid.
Hold up. This whole thing was a test? Actually, yes.
This whole thing was a test. Been watching this entire thing play out.
Wait, you?
Yes, me. I put together this little test just to see what type of people I have joining my team. And Pete, I just don't think you have what it takes.
I'm sorry. I just...
Pete, listen, it's okay. You don't need to apologize. I actually find it very admirable that even in your wife's dying moments, you still care about what she thinks.
I'm sorry. It's just...
Pete, let me grab this. Don't apologize. Go ahead. Run to her. Be with her. Okay.
Guys, I'm sorry. I couldn't do it. I'm sorry.
No!
All time.
And that's how it's done.